Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Storing the row value of a logic statement in a Python data frame involves using conditional logic to evaluate rows in the data frame and store the result in a new column based on certain conditions. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with a code example using Pandas, a popular library for data manipulation. Firstly, import the required libraries. In this case, we'll use Pandas for working with data frames. Let's create a sample data frame to work with. For demonstration purposes, we'll generate a simple data frame with columns A and B. Now, let's define a logic statement. For instance, we'll create a new column result where the value will be based on a condition, example A B. If the condition is true, we'll store the value of A in the result column, otherwise, store the value of B. Finally, observe the data frame with the added result column that stores the row value based on the logic statement. Here's the complete code example that demonstrates storing the row value of a logic statement in a Python data frame. You can modify the logic statement as needed to suit different conditions and requirements for storing row values based on your specific use case. ChatGPT